Did you ever think you made the perfect video, only to discover far too late that there was something horribly wrong with one part of it, and now you have to figure out what to do with it because it was such a rare opportunity? Yeah, that is what happened to this video. Everything seemed to be on the up and up while I was recording the video, but unbeknownst to me, the audio was apparently lying like a snake in the grass in wait for me to check it later to bite me when I discovered it sounds like this.
And welcome back to the Carousel, Douglas. I have a special...
Yeah, that's bad, isn't it? Anyway, to solve this problem, I'm going to voice over the transcript I made of everything that I said while filming the video. So let me back this up here a moment. And here we go. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Carousel of Douglas. I have a special tour for you today. We are going to tour a Disney Polynesian resort, Bora Bora Bungalow. So let's go do this. All right, folks, we are here at Bungalow 7020. It is a Disney DVC villa, and we start with this great bench right outside the front door. And there's one thing I've known about these rooms for a while now. Let's see if it works. No, it didn't actually play that, but it does play random Disney tunes, and it's totally a cool touch. When you step in the front door, the very first thing you come to is this wonderfully themed Visit Bora Bora travel poster artwork and this great shelf for magic bands, wallets, and other things you might have in your pockets. The first bedroom on the left that you come to inside the main door has a nice queen-size bed in it, and also it has this convenient pull-down Murphy bed. And it also has this lovely window bench that looks over at the Polynesian resort. There's lots of storage space, as you can see. Really, there is tons of storage space with gigantic closet with lots of shelves. There are also USB plugs above the nightstands, and Disney's really doing a great job of helping you keep things nice and powered in easily accessible spots for your electronic devices. One final thing is that the headboard has these awesome surfboards, which will become an important detail later, again, thanks to information from the DVC host that was here. Next, we're going to walk directly across the hallway into the master bedroom, which is on your right when you come in from the front door. Since this is a display room for DVC, all the TVs are on Resort TV 1, which you have to love. The TV is resting over a bureau with lots of storage drawers available. Over here, we have a king-size bed flanked by beautiful, full-sized windows on either side that overlook the water. To my left is a door that opens out onto this porch area, and we will talk about this shortly, but it is nice to have access from this master bedroom onto the porch for sure. You have another small closet here across from the bed as well. As you can see, my friend Sammy Castillo came along and needed to show everyone the Maui pose from the tiki lamps you have scattered around the bungalow. This statue is actually a Polynesian interpretation of the demigod Maui and is found all over the resort. Seriously though, I have to show you this master bathroom. I could live in here, it is so spacious. Sammy makes sure to point out that there is a TV embedded in the mirror. Hi everybody, and thanks for joining us on this tour. This fine young lady standing next to me is one of my oldest friends who now lives here in Orlando. Again, her name is Sammy Castillo, and she is a nationally recognized artist and illustrator. I will put her website in the description below because it is amazing. You have all of the personal versions of the H2O bathroom supplies available to you at this particular villa as well. This is a full-sized jet tub. If you watched my Saratoga Springs tour video, which I will put in right here, you will know that being a 6'3" guy, I want to be able to fit in the tubs. This tub is definitely big enough for me to fit in, and that is a great feature. This bungalow also has a nice gigantic shower in here with a low-rise entranceway, glass door, and comes complete with a rainfall shower head and separate spray wand attached over on the wall. The aqua tiles coupled with the stonework at the bottom keeps with the under the ocean theme of this room. I have to say that I totally love this piece of art over the tub area. I am not 100% certain, but the wood looks similar to olive wood, and that is really popular, and I just love the carved tropical orchids and vines. This is such a nice piece to hang in here. Over here next to the entrance, we have a little water closet toilet, and this piece of accent art hanging over the toilet is a nicely stylized piece of the mermaids from Peter Pan's flight in the Magic Kingdom. It is nice that this water closet toilet comes with a private door as well. We are going to step back out into the main hall, and just a little farther down on our left is the main bathroom for the bungalow. The main bathroom has more shelving in this closet, and this other closet is where they keep the washer-dryer stacked combo for this villa. These will often come with soap and a collapsible laundry basket for your use. Here's a really cool feature of this bathroom. Over here, we have a bathroom with a toilet, a single sink, and a mirror, and that's got its own door for privacy, which is an amazing color too, side note. Also over here, with this sliding pocket door, we have another sink, a mirror, and tub and shower. So you have these two spaces where people can get ready, as well as be able to shut the doors so that they can also have some privacy as they do so. I think this is a really special feature. In the hallway again, I would like to point out this great Hawaiian traditional tiki art hanging here. It is such a wonderful touch. Next, we come to the main living space here at the bungalow. Now, here is why I pointed out the surfboard theme in the smaller bedroom. This 8-person dining table is intentionally surfboard shaped to fit in with the beach adventure theme of this villa. Over near the sliding glass patio doors, we have some well-appointed furniture, like this comfortable armchair here that Samly is modeling so expertly for us. There is also another pull-down Murphy bed here in the living room with this awesome depiction of the electric water pageant on the wall behind it. And I'm so glad this artwork is here and that Disney has brought this nighttime show back for guests to watch. On the wall next to the TV, we have this great Jungle Cruise at Night artwork, and over here we have Captain Hook's Jolly Roger from Peter Pan going right past the bungalows at sunset. We're going to now step out onto the porch, and before we tour that, I'm going to show you the one complaint I have read about in multiple places about these particular bungalows. And that is that the ferry boats pulling out and in from the TTC are required to blow their horns every time they embark and disembark from the docks. This one happens to be the General Joe Potter pulling out, my personal favorite ferry boat, but I have to admit that the horn blowing really did not bother me volume-wise. So I really did not hear the issue as bad as some have made it out to be. Continuing on, we have this perfect porch out here over the water, with these super comfortable lounge chairs, accompanying bistro table and chairs, and over here we have these very cool hanging wickered swing chairs that not only swing back and forth, but are also able to rotate 360 degrees. These swinging basket seats are found right outside the door to the master bedroom I showed you earlier. Again, over here next to this bistro table and chairs is your personal porch plunge pool. I did ask the DVC host here at the bungalow, and he told me that this is not a heated pool, but that the personal pools at the cabins at the Wilderness Lodge Copper Creek DVC area were heated, just so you are aware of that minor detail. Up here, I would like to point out this pair of inconspicuous outdoor speakers. These hidden speakers are controlled by this knob on the wall, because included in your stay here at the Polynesian Bungalows is this amazing view of Seven Seas Lagoon and the Magic Kingdom. You can see Cinderella Castle and Space Mountain clearly from your porch here, and at night, when fireworks are running, you can see Happily Ever After perfectly from your own private viewing area. This knob is important because when the fireworks are running, you can pipe the music from Happily Ever After onto the porch while you watch the fireworks. That alone makes the cost of the stay here worth it, in my opinion. That is pretty much everything outside here at the villa, so I'm going to head back inside and show you the kitchen, a feature you only find in one-bedroom DVC villas and up. This kitchen is well appointed, just like the rest of the space, with a nice large microwave, glass top stove, and oven. All three of these appliances are General Electric. These tiki pieces here above the sink are a nice touch, but they are art and are therefore not removable for use. However, in this cabinet over here, we will find all your plates, cups, and bowls that are supplied by Disney, and under the sink, you will find all your cooking pots and pans. For those of you who do not know, DVC lodgings are usually used more long-term by guests, hence why we have this nice full-size fridge over here complete with wine rack, because why not have a wine rack in your bungalow? And so that, my friends, is this amazing DVC resort villa. At this point, I'm saying how this was such an awesome experience to be able to tour this bungalow, and my thanks to Disney and Disney Vacation Club for having me out to see it. I really think that this place is top-notch and is certainly on my bucket list of rooms to stay in. Please, if you liked this video, I would love it if you would like and subscribe, as it really does help me out. And comment down below if it seems like somewhere you'd like to stay. And remember, I don't like to say goodbye because I'm going to see you real soon. So, see ya, bye!
Thank you.